भारतवर्ष में बिल्डरों द्वारा वर्षों से अटकी पड़ी गई कई आवासीय परियोजना है, जिसमें देश के आम नागरिकों ने अपने जीवन भर की पूंजी एक आवास खरीदने के लिए लगा दी। एक तरफ तो इन परियोजनाओं में धन लगाने वालों व्यक्ति बैंकों में किस्त और ब्याज भरता रहा, दूसरी समय पर मकान न मिलने के कारण किराए के मकान में किराया भी भरता रहा। महोदय, एनबीसीसी जो कि एक सरकारी उपक्रम है, जो स्वामी फंड का उपयोग करते हुए कुछ अधूरी आवासीय परियोजनाओं को पूरा किया, किंतु ये परियोजनाएं भी रेरा द्वारा निर्धारित किए गए समय के अनुसार पूरा नहीं हो पाई है। मैं माननीय मंत्री जी से यह जानना चाहूंगा कि क्या सरकार एनबीसीसी की कार्य प्रणाली की समीक्षा करने के पर विचार करेगी और सरकार आवंटियों को ब्याज की इस विकट परिस्थिति से निकालने हेतु कोई कदम उठाने पर विचार करेगी।
India has recently joined an international technology coalition known as Pax Silica. In simple terms, Pax Silica is a grouping of countries aimed at cooperation and standard setting in critical areas such as semiconductors, artificial intelligence and digital infrastructure, with a dominant role played by the United States. While this initiative may offer certain benefits such as access to secure supply chains, increased investments and advanced technologies, it also raises serious concerns that merit urgent discussion. The foremost concern relates to data privacy and sovereignty. If India is required to align with shared standards and systems under this coalition, there is a possibility that Indian data may be processed or governed through foreign platforms or frameworks. This raises critical questions about the effectiveness and the enforceability of the India Digital Personal Data Protection Act 2023. Would the private data of each Indian citizen be protected under DPDP Act? We want to know from the government. 2023. There are apprehensions that India's long-term policy autonomy in such areas as AI development, semiconductor strategy and digital infrastructure may be constrained by external standards and oversight. This could potentially dilute our long-standing principle of strategic autonomy and impact the government's stated India First approach. In view of these concerns, I urge the government to clarify: 1. The terms and conditions of India's participation in Pax Silica. 2. The safeguards in place to ensure protection and sovereignty of Indian citizens' data. Number 3. Whether this arrangement affects India's independent policy making in critical technology sectors. Sir, I'll be retiring now.
You time now because after this we will be missing your very good experience in political life. So
sir, I have time. I am asking for a short duration on the insignificant milestone in the democratic history of India. Sir, please allow that, sir.
So I will put your request to the government. Yes, I will come back to you.
Writing to you, sir, to the SG, and digitally also we'll post it on the postal. But we will request you to allow us to have a detailed discussion on the motion on the issue of significant milestone in the democratic history of India. Thank you, sir.